Plant and tissue culture, cutting and grafting are the improvement methods of natural vegetative propagation in plants. In 1902, Haberland noticed that the plant cell can be grown in synthetic media. The discovery by Haberland that the plant cell have the capacity to grow in nutrient medium in presence of sufficient light made an impact in plant propagation. Crop improvement. The availability of plant cell to give rise to a whole plant is called topoisomensis. The oil and the tissue culture techniques have taken the methods of asexual reproduction in plants. In this method, instead of taking plants, a cell or a few cell or a tissue is taken from a plant and the culture is suitable container in which nutrition need is present portion of the plant that is taken the desired plant. By this method, thousands of plants can be produced by form the single desired plant in one generation. In these techniques, while maintaining several conditions in medium, the plant needs to utilize before it is introduced in medium. The medium is kept in the fungi and bacteria cell on the tissue are grown in culture under condition. Plants raised through time were routinely used in agriculture, horticulture, and forestry. While use this plant, we get a diplomic vegetative methods. If we want develop a horticulture plants, it is possible to obtain through time culture, and people raise their times through cultures and routinely used in agriculture, horticulture, and forestry. The development of plant through tissue culture was discovered by Indian scientists Shilpa Guhai and Satish Maheshwari. My name is Nisha. I am from class 10th.